Hello everyone. To make this video on this this product, this is the Sony Cyber-shot. Okay, this is the camera that I use really on a daily basis too, and I bring it everywhere, and it takes beautiful pictures. So how I got told about this was I was actually going to the store to buy a camera, and this is the one that the staff member recommended to me. Yeah, because I just wanted something small that I could really take wherever I needed to go. I could take, I could take videos, I can take pictures, and I can really do, whatever it is that I need. So, I'll show you how this works. So, all you do really is, there's an on and off button right there, up top right there. So you click that, and it opens up, and the camera turns on. So there's a bunch of different modes on here. The mode that I have set to right now is the panoramic. So all you have to do is up here with the button, you click and you hold it, and then you just turn like that all the way over, and then you get a panoramic picture. Now that one wasn't great that time, but yeah, so it's very easy to use. If you wanted to make like a video, you click the movie button, and then I can go on and I can record. So I'm recording right now, and as you can see, I can turn off that recording, and then I can go back into it, turn it off, and you can look. I can zoom in the lens, zoom out, and then you just gotta click the movie button again. So then the recording is off, and now it can go in, and it can show me like the whole movie that we just took. I went into it, so it's cool. Now the only bad part is actually it's fairly hard to use. So if you don't know what you're doing at first, it's kind of hard to figure out, how to get into, how to check out your movie and stuff. I mean, after you get that done, it is very reliable, and it's very good. So I actually get compliments about this all the time because of its quality of the pictures that it can actually take, and of how small it is. So I can take this wherever I need. I can take this in my pocket, really. I can fit it in a small pullover bag. I can bring it on the plane with me. I can fit it in my laptop bag. You don't have to worry about it dropping. It's actually fairly durable too. I've dropped this a bunch of times, and it's fine. So that's really awesome. It's made out of it's a metal, so it's very hard metal. It's metal all the way around, except right here on the actual screen part. It's a glass there. Other than that, it's metal, and then it has the band right here, the safety band, so you can put it there, and then I think. You can't tighten it up though, so that's kind of a bad part too, but you can still hold it, so if you ever drop it, it can hang like that. So that's really useful. And what this comes with is the camera and the charger. So I'll show you how to charge it. So all you have to do is up top here, once you have it plugged in, it's a USB. So you just plug it in any USB outlet you need, and it charges. It's not the fastest of charging, from charging and how much you get out of it. It probably takes about 2 hours or so to fully charge, and you only get about an hour and a half of full use out of it, so that kind of sucks. But other than that, it's fairly decent. So I actually know that you can get a few different colors in these, but you can get black, red, and white. There's only 3, but I chose the black because black is the color that I thought looked the best. If you can see, it has 16.2 megapixels. It's an HD recorder. Other things it has, so if you look here, it actually has a stereo, so that's like so you can hear the video on it. It doesn't have really much, to be honest. It has an HDMI, which is kind of cool, so you can just open that up right there, and you can plug them. It's the mini HDMI, so you can plug it into a computer or something like that. If you didn't want to do that, you can open it in the bottom, and then the SD card just pops out like that. So you can take your SD card out, put it in the computer that way. So yeah, there's not many perks to it other than those. Either way, it's still fairly nice. Yeah, so a little bit more about this is that the lens here, it says it's a Carl Zeiss lens. It's 2x6 and by 6x3, so that's like the size of it. Yeah, other modes that it has, like I said, it has the recording mode, it has the panoramic mode. You can have different filters on there. You can also just take regular pictures. Now, one thing I see now is that it's a little difficult to get back in unless you go like that and you lock it. So right here it has the menu button, your trash button. If you push up, that's how you get your picture. You push right down, that's how you get your movie. And then in the middle, that's how you get your panoramic. And then other than that, there's different ways that you can put on, and you can get your filters on if you wanted to, but I usually just do that on the actual computer itself. So yeah, this is it's definitely a good product. It's definitely worth the amount that it is. I think that most people will get a lot out of this. Now, it's not a very high class. It can only run 720p. Other than that, it's definitely a good purchase if you are into cameras and you just want something cheap. So I really hope that you guys got something out of this video, and I hope it was informative. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.